Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to tackle a question that has puzzled many Excel users who work with ActiveX control. If you've ever worked with forms or dashboards in Excel, chances are you've used an ActiveX spin button at some point. But have you ever wondered how to edit its behavior using VBA in this video? We'll explore the world of ActiveX controls and show you exactly how to modify a spin button's properties using Visual Basic for applications. When working with ActiveX controls in Excel, it's not uncommon to need more control over their behavior than what's available through the standard Excel interface. That's where VBA comes in, allowing you to tap into the underlying code and customize your controls to do exactly what you want. But before we dive into editing our spin button, let's take a step back and talk about why ActiveX controls are useful. ActiveX controls provide a range of benefits when building forms or dashboards in Excel. They offer more flexibility than standard Excel controls, allowing for more complex interactions and behaviors. The spin button specifically is a great example of this. It allows users to incrementally adjust values with ease. Now that we've covered the basics of ActiveX controls, let's talk about how to edit our spin button using VBA. To start, you'll need to open up your Visual Basic editor in Excel, usually found under Developer Visual Basic or by pressing Alt F11. From there, navigate to the worksheet where your spin button is located and click on it. In the Properties window, you should see a range of options that allow you to customize the behavior of your spin button. But if you want even more control, you can start writing VBA code to manipulate these properties directly. One common task when working with ActiveX controls is changing their font or color scheme to match your organization's branding guidelines. You might also need to adjust the minimum and maximum values that the spin button can take on. Whatever the case may be, with VBA, you have complete control over every aspect of your control's behavior. To recap, editing an ActiveX spin button via VBA requires a few key steps. Open up your Visual Basic editor in Excel and navigate to the worksheet where your spin button is located. Use the Properties window to customize basic properties like font or color scheme. Write VBA code to manipulate more advanced properties, such as minimum and maximum values. The possibilities are endless when it comes to customizing ActiveX controls with VBA. Whether you're building a complex form or just need a little extra control over your dashboard, the flexibility of these tools makes them an invaluable asset in any Excel developer's toolkit. That's all for today's video on editing ActiveX spin buttons via VBA. We hope this tutorial has given you a solid foundation in working with these controls and inspired you to explore even more possibilities when it comes to customizing your Excel project. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next, please leave them in the comments below. We love hearing from our viewers. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more content on VBA programming and other Excel-related topics. We'll see you all in the next video.